Hey everyone, welcome back to the DOTween series. This is part 7, and today we're going to learn how to repeat animations using SetLoops. Repeating animations is super useful in Unity. Whether you want a character to breathe, a button to bounce, or an object to spin forever, SetLoops makes it really easy. Let's start with the basics. This moves the object 5 units to the right, taking 1 second, and then repeats that animation 3 times, starting over each time. But there are more loop types we can use. Let's test this in Unity and see how these loops look in action. Now let's create a smooth breathing animation using DoScale and SetLoops. It scales the object up to 4 times its original size over half a second, and then automatically scales it back down to the original size because we're using LoopType. Yoyo. That back and forth effect creates a natural pulsing or breathing animation, which is perfect for things like buttons, glowing pickups, or floating platforms. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and check out my Patreon for exclusive Unity assets and tools.